Alright guys, we're back with another video, and we are making a Lego fidget spinner. You sadly cannot spin it in your hand, but you will be able to spin it on a table. So let's build it. And you only need 6 little pieces, and I'm in my room so you can't really see them, but I'll show you. I'll build it in the air because I've built it millions of times. But then I'm like, I'll do a video of this. Okay. Here, you don't have to have these colors, but I just did some random colors. Blue, orange, green, and yellow. But then this right here is like a top. This is the whole spin thing right here. Has a little bump on the bottom. I don't know if you can see it very well, but it has a little bump. And that's what spins, and this is to hold the thing. So all I did was take it up here, stick it down, and then I'd go to another corner, and then put it an opposite way, like this. So they're like sticking out always. See, they're not pointed at the same way. And then you just put it on, and you just put this bottom piece on. So it's like a desk fidget spinner, I guess you can call it that. But I'll show you how it spins. Probably not the best spinner you'll find, but yeah. So that is it. So like and subscribe. Let's get 1,000 likes. Subscribe. And if you say you subscribed, I will comment back to you. And if you want me to do like something special, I'll see if I can do it, guys. So see you next time.